Hello everyone. Children, very welcome to your activity class. Do you know what festival is approaching? Yes, it is Diwali. So, a very happy Diwali to all my loving kids. And what are we going to make today? We are going to make a chandelier today. Okay? So let's get started. The materials we require is only an A4 size sheet. You can get it of any color you want. I have got here of purple color. You require Fevistick and you require scissors. So first of all, what we'll do is we will fold the paper like this. Can you see? You leave a 1 or 2 finger space, right? And fold the paper like this. Get your Fevisticks. Fold this paper from here and press it nicely so that both the surfaces stick to each other. Now, see, this is ready. Now what are we going to do? You can make it of any size, whether you want a small size chandelier or you can make it a long size chandelier. Okay, here I am cutting a small portion out of it. Like you can see here it is 3 fingers gap, right? I folded the paper, marked the margin, and here I am cutting it like this. So this is the shape I've got. Now what will I do? I will fold this and mark to the edges. Yes, like this. And we'll do one more fold. Yes. Now what are we going to do next? You'll take hold of your scissors and put small cuts only like this. See? Are they clear? Like this. Very simple. Slowly. Children, only use paper cutting scissors. Okay? Keep in mind. And this side also. It's not necessary that both the cuts should be of the same sizes. You can cut randomly. But only you made to do this. Simple cuts. Okay, nothing more than that. Now, what are we going to do? We are going to slowly, very slowly, open it up. See? Open it up. Yes. And now open from this side. Very slowly put your hand inside this. And here we go. See, we have got these margins over here. We'll press them nicely so that the cuts are visible. See, this is the shape you will get, right? And what are we going to do next? We are going to pull these cuts out a little bit. See how I am doing? Very little bit. Like this. You will pull all the cuts out, right? Like this. See, I have done this. I am finishing up. See, children. Now what will you do is, see, this is the shape. Isn't it looking beautiful? Hannah? So this is your chandelier ready. Now what are you going to do? You can get any of the light source. Here I am using my mobile, right? And see How beautiful does it looks? Right? You can also do one thing. You can keep hold of a diya or a candle in it. Then also it will look very beautiful. See. You can see? So, enjoy your Diwali. Make these chandeliers and enjoy. Bye-bye.